midnight hue, a lonely bike, shimmery and new. But from the shadows, a glint of green, the slickest thief you've ever seen. A silent prowl on velvet feet. She knows a shortcut down the street. No lock, no chain, just a whisper and a prayer. She's taking off with the midnight air. Oh, the black cat stole the bike, paws on pedals, what a sight. A feline blur, a shadow quick, the best cat burglar's famous trick. Through alleyways, he rides so free, a black furred bolt's a mystery. The purr of the gears, a silent chime, the bike is hers for a moment in time. The owner wakes to morning sun, finds the bike's long, long gone, looks for a clue, a trace, a sign, but all he sees is a single feline sat on a fence with a smug white grin and a small tire mark where the path begins. She doesn't feel a hint of dread, just a crazy thought inside her head. Oh, the black cat stole the bike, paws on pedals, what a sight. A feline blur, a shadow quick, the best cat burglar's famous trick. Through alleyways, she rides so free, a black furred bolt's a mystery. The purr of the gears, a silent chime, the bike is hers for a moment in time. Some say it was a trick of the light, a superstition in the fading night. But if you see a flash of black fern wheel, you'll know the legend and the secret's real. She's riding